To access components that are inside the PC, you'll first need to remove the side panel. To remove the side panel, first loosen the thumb screw that connects the panel to the PC. Grasp the handle on the panel and pull towards the back of the PC. The side panel has several tabs on its top, bottom, and leading edges, which fit into slots and over the front lip of the PC. To reattach the panel, align the tabs on the panel over the corresponding slots on the PC and lay the panel into place. Then slide the panel forward to lock it into position. Reattach the thumb screw.